Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Ulefone 16 Note Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our Play Store because we have to install our AI app. And I am going to install, for example, Google Lens. So now we can open it. Here we have to allow the access to the camera. And look, it's very good items searcher, because now here are my earpods and I'm going to aim at them with the camera, and now we have to click on this icon, and as you can see, this AI searched them and it says that these are Apple AirPods Pro 2, and it's right. And that's how you can use AI. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!